Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Trust Wallet, full guide step by step clearly. To start saving with Trust Wallet, first, download the Trust Wallet app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once the app is installed, open it and create a new wallet. Follow the prompts to set up a strong password for your wallet. Make sure to write down your recovery phrase and store it in a safe place. This phrase is crucial for recovering your wallet if you lose access. After setting up your wallet, navigate to the dApps section on the main screen. Here, you can access various decentralized applications for saving and investing. Browse through the options and select a DeFi app that interests you. Before using any app, ensure you do your research and understand its functions. Once you have chosen an app, connect your Trust Wallet to it by following the on-screen instructions. You may need to transfer funds from your Trust Wallet to your chosen DeFi app. To transfer funds, go back to your wallet and tap Send. Enter the recipient address provided by the DeFi app, confirm the transaction and wait for it to process. After the funds are in the DeFi app, explore the saving options available there. Check for features like staking or liquidity pools to earn interest on your funds. Follow the app's instructions to deposit your cryptocurrency into the chosen saving option. Remember to keep an eye on your investments and the performance of your assets. As your assets grow, you can choose to withdraw and save or reinvest them. Always stay updated with market trends and consider taking profits when necessary. By following these steps, you can effectively save and grow your assets using Trust Wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.